Kakasal na ako! Hi! Hi, everyone!
Beso pala, beso.
Napaka-sexy, napakaganda, napaka-cute. Carla. Maganda talaga naman si Ate Angelica. Ate Jingjing.
Yung ano maganda.
Spray niyo daw mga bakla. One, two, three. Cheers!
So ito si Jeff, yung tropa ko nagbibigay ng ATM. Baby boy! Wow! Sobrang Latina.
RV, do you take Christine, your present, to be your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother Church? Yes, I do. RV and Christine, ang pag-iisang dibdib ay isang bukasyon na nagaganap dahil sa kalooban ng Diyos. Hindi lamang sa inyong dalawa, kasama niyo ang Diyos sa inyong love story.
Mahal, the most precious day of our lives has come. After 4 years of being together, I am marrying the love of my life today. I thank God for giving you to me, the one that brings out the best of me, the one that makes me feel special, the one that let me understand what truly love means.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright.
RV at Christine, hangad ko ang iyong pag-asama ay mapuspos ng ligaya, kasaganahan, pagmamahalan, at naway biyayaan kayo ng mga, hindi siya plural, ng mga supling na magdudulot sa inyo ng ibayong kaligayahan.
For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm.
Thank you po sa lahat ng sacrifices at saka love niyo sa akin, sa pagtanggap niyo, sa pag-aalaga niyo sa akin, sa family ko, lalo na kay Ilis. Thank you so much.
'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart.
Aji, masaya kami kasi natupad ng pangarap mo. Sana lalong sumayang yung pagsasama niyo ni Harvey.
Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako na kayo yung naging magulang ko, na hindi kayo sumuko sa amin at sa hamon ng buhay na dumarating. Ayun lang po. I love you, Nanay.
Why can't they understand the way we feel?
Okay. Yes, excited ako. Sobrang pinag-pray ko tong araw na to na maging maayos, lalo na yung weather. There's no wedding naman na perfect. Ang ine-expect ko lang talaga is maging meaningful at saka maging memorable.
You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this
I believe with all my heart that destiny brought us together. That God, in His perfect timing, give me the greatest gift I could ever ask for.
Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know?
Alam ko po na bago kayo kasal, mayroon ng away, pati, no, tampuan, pero nandyan pa rin kayo dahil sa pagmamahal mo sa isa't isa.
When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on.
Mahal ko, ikaw ang buhay ko, ikaw ang lakas ko, ang nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat sa araw na ito.
'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in
You are my heart, my home, and my destiny. I love you now and forever.
Mula ngayon, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Tayong dalawa ang magkasama. Pangakong aalagaan kita at mamahalin ng buong puso at buong katapatan. Saan man makarating ang biyahe natin, ikaw at ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal.